started. If not, then I will click over here. And now the message will come at the top that meeting is being recorded. Yes. Now, let's come to the doubt. First doubt is 2D. At first, let's see what 2 number it is saying. It is saying using long division method, okay, using long division, find the smallest number which should be subtracted from following numbers to get perfect squares. Also find the square root of the new number thus formed. So if
Sir,
you
this
will
is
see
which page, sir? Sir,
49
page
number
number
page,
49, sir. 4D,
yes,
sir.
yes, 2D number.
Okay, sir.
So by long division method, you have to find the smallest number that should be subtracted from this to make it perfect square. So at first what we will do, okay, here we will write here here, then after we will be doing long division method directly. 1 2 6 7 8, okay, 0.765. Of course it is not forming pair, so we will be keeping 0. Then from here one pair and one alone, okay, like this you can do. With 1, of course 1 1 ja 1, it got cancelled. 2 6 will be coming down, 1 added over here, it becomes 2. Now here what number you will keep, with the same you have to multiply. If you will keep 2, then it will become 44, so we will keep 1 only, so it will be 21. Then subtracted 5 and 7 8 will be coming down. Now 1 will be added over here, it will become 22. Now what you will be keeping over here, with the same you have to multiply. So if you will
Sir,
keep 2, then it will be 400, and if it will be 3, then it will be more than 600, so that will become more. So with 2 only will be multiplying. Asta was saying something.
yes, sir. Then it will be 444, sir.
Yes, 444 it will become, and when we will subtract this, it will become 4, then after here it will become 3, and here it will become 1. Okay, now what will happen, again 2 will be added, it will become 2 2 4. Again, now after point the numbers comes, that is 7 6, so we will keep over here point. Again whatever you will be keeping over here, with the same you have to multiply. So if you will keep, okay, like 5, then it will be more than 10,000, 6 then more than 12,000. So let's see with 6 it is coming less than this or more than this. So we will multiply this in rough to check. 2 2 4 6 with 6 6 6 is 36.
Yes, sir. It will
Carry
come,
3,
sir.
okay, and for 6 for the 24 and 3 27, carry 2, 6 to the 12 and 2 14. Here it is becoming, okay, 14 4, okay, and then after 6 to the 12 and 1 13, it is coming exactly.
Yes, sir. Cutting, sir.
Answered, sir. So answer will be 112.6.
So now 5 0 will be coming down.
50.
Okay, here it will be giving 6, here it will come 6, and now this 6 will be added. Of course, it will become 2 2 5 2. Now just see, if any number we will keep, it will be bigger than this itself. So this is the number which should be subtracted, and this should be subtracted from the last 2 digit, and last 2 digit is this, that is 50 only. So you can write hence 0.005, or even you can write 50 also, okay, third
Sir,
digit.
sir, I have a doubt, sir.
Yes, say.
So we will subtract this 50 from quotient, no, sir.
No,
Then,
from the
sir.
given number should be subtracted. I am writing here itself, from the given number. Which number it has been given, from this it should be subtracted to make it perfect
Why
square.
is it 0.005?
Subtracted,
You can write 50 also, no,
subtracted.
sir.
Then 0.005 is not given, sir. The last digit is 50, no, sir, after
Yes,
This
0.7650.
0 we had kept by yourself, ourselves, yes. And after point, if after number only 0 is there, then it doesn't have got value. So I am writing 0.005 only. Even you can write 50 also. Okay. should be subtracted from how much? 12678.6765 from 1, how much it was? 2678. What was their number? I am just not remembering this number. Yes, 78.765. 0.765 to make it a perfect square. To make it a perfect square. That is, you can write that is 12678.765 minus 0.005 is equal to 12678.76 and a square root of 12678.76 is equal to, now what comes the quotient, that will become the answer, is equal to 112.6.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, how 0.005 came, sir?
Just see, these last two digit is there, and last two digit after point there is 4 digit. So first 2 digit is not there. There is 0 0, and the third digit is 5, and after that there was 0 only, so it has not been written.
Okay, sir. Means that before the number was only given, sir, but we have calculated that. That's why the 0.005 came.
Yes. Clear to everyone?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So any more doubt in this? Try this section.
No, sir.
Yes,
Okay. If yes, say.
Sir, after minus the 0.005, whatever the answer will come, that is only the answer.
Yes, after subtracting 0.005, what comes? That will be the perfect square number. Actually, one of the answer is 0.005, and this should be subtracted because it has been asked in question what should be subtracted. So this should be subtracted. So this is one of the answer, and another, it has been said also find the square root of the number hence obtained. So when subtracted, then the number hence obtained is 12678.76. So its square root is 112.6. So another answer will be 112.6 also in the answer.
You know, sir, I have a very big problem, sir.
Yes, say.
Sir, I did not understood, sir, that 0.005 from where it came, sir.
You see, what happens? Last two digit you have to take. If you will see here, the last two digit is this 50.
It means, sir, that after point there was only 3 digits, sir. That's why we kept, sir, 0.005.
Yes, you can write 0.005 also or 0.0050 also. Both are same only. Since after the decimal, if only 0 is there, it doesn't have got a value. That's why this 0 I had not written. Got it?
Understood, sir. Yeah.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Sir, can you solve question number 3, sir?
Question number 3. Okay, I'll explain question number 3. Okay. So if you will see question number 3, what it has been said in question number 3, a number of 5,000 chairs are to be arranged in row and columns such that the numbers of rows is equal to the number of columns. Will the chairs be accommodated in this arrangement? If not, how many will be left out? Now, if we are arranging in this was saying row and column, and number of rows and number of chair in each row, that means number of columns, both are equal. Can it be arranged 5,000? So of course 5,000 is not a perfect square because there is 3 zeros. So of course there will be answer no, it will not be arranged. And now if it will not be arranged, that means for arranging, how many chairs will be left? Yes.
Sir, you solve this by for long division. I am doing then it is not coming.
Okay,
Sir.
of course I'll show you. At first you can write or you can at first do long division only, then you will be writing in language. You can say here.
First we will do the long division, then we will do that. If any number we will have, we will subtract it from there.
Yes.
And that number from
Yes,
that will only.
if we will subtract 71 from 5,000, sir, then it will be.
The number.
Yes. So see with 7, 7 7 is 49. Will be 1 and double 0 will be coming down. Okay. Now 7 it will be added over here, then it will become 14. Now of
So
course
now
this will
7
be,
only, sir. 7, sir. Again 7.
Yeah,
how?
I have
Now it will not
problem.
be divided only. How 7? No 7.
So
Now
then
this
more
will
than
be-
7, it will be more, sir. 1089, 85 or 89, sir.
Okay, 7 7 is 49, 1 came and 2 0 came down. So 7 7 14. If we will keep any number further, it will become bigger only. Since it has came
Here
down,
only I have doubt, sir.
so simply you will keep 0 and you will leave this. Because it, as you are doing in division also, if anything comes down, by keeping 0 we can leave it. So now here 100 chairs should be subtracted, not 71.
So then, see na, sir, 114, 7 just see na, sir. It will be happen, sir.
114 7 ja, how much it will come? Here it is 100 itself, not 1000.
Sir, we can do this by keeping point there in 70.
No,
after
no,
that.
no. Chairs will not be arranged in points. So you can write, now you can write. So, uh, so this 71 square is greater than 5000 and 5000 and 70 square is smaller than 5000. Okay. Hence, hence 5000 chairs can't be arranged. Chairs can't be arranged in
So on WhatsApp, see
raw.
na, sir. I have sent it to something.
Okay, I'll see that. In raw, where number of rows and number of chairs in rows are equal. Rows are equal. Hence, 100 chairs should be subtracted. Hence, 100 chairs should be removed to arrange it in above way. Above way. So, okay, let me see what is over here. Astha has said. No, how you can do with 7 when you are keeping over here, Astha? Then you have to
Yes,
apply
sir.
also over here 17. Sorry, 7 only, not 1. And from 50, when you are subtracting 49, then you will get 1, not 11.
Oh, yes, sir. Yeah.
So, lot many mistakes are over here. At first, there can't be 1, and here can't be 11.
Understood,
Clear?
sir.
Okay. So now, let's see what it has been said in the question. Only it has been said how much it should be removed. Yes. Will all chairs accommodate in this arrangement? Then I had said no. If not, how many chairs will be left out? So of course, 100 chair is removed. That means 100 chairs should be left out. Will be left out. Got it? And I hope answer also matched only, isn't it? Yes.
Not seen.
Not seen. Then you can see it. And if there is any further problem in try this section, then you can ask me.
Sir, 5B, sir.
Yes, 5.
B.
Find
Yes,
the number of digits in square root of 1522.76. Is it?
Yes, sir.
Or this is 15,000?
Yes, sir.
No,
Answer is
15,22,756. The number of digit you have to find. So simply what you will do, it is 3 to 5 to 7. So number of digits will become 7 plus 1 by 2, that means 4 digits. This formula you have to apply. You have to do just like example number 24. Here also it was 5 digits, so 5 plus 1 by 2 it has been done. Here it was 7 digits, so you can do 7 plus 1 by 2, that is 8 by 2, that is 4 digits. Got it, or I should make and explain?
Got it, sir.
Got it. Is there any further problem also? If not, then I will be moving towards estimating a square root. Okay. Do you know how to estimate a square root? For estimating a square root, we should know these values at first. Like a square of 10, a square of 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95 and 100. Okay. So of course, you know 10 square means 100, 15 square 225, 20 square 400, 25 square 625. If you don't know, you should remember 30 square 900, 35 if it is not given over here, you can easily know 35 square means 3 into 4, okay, into 100 plus 25. Yes. So it will become 1225. Like this we can easily know. In same way 45 square means we had read this technique, isn't it? But we had read 4 into 5 into 100 plus 25. That is 2025. Easily we can know that. In same way 65 or 55 we can find it. Are you all getting me?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So when we are knowing these squares, okay, if you will remember also, you will keep it in mind, and it is easy also to remember, like 10 square it is 100, then 20 square means 2 to the 4 and then after double 0. 30 square 3 is 9 and double 0. Okay. And 5 I had already explained you the pattern how you will be finding. Yes.
Sir, I have doubt in exercise 3.1, sir.
Okay, just after explaining this, I will be moving towards 3.1 only. After this page, there is 3.1 only. Okay, so I will be coming towards that doubt also. So here it has been said how to estimate that 7425 is near to which digit. If you have to write it in whole digit, which will be? So for that, what we will be doing is we will be watching either this 7425 is coming between which two 10th digit number? Like here, 80 square is 6400 and 90 square is 8100. So between 6400 and 8100 there is 7425. Yes. So now after that we will be checking middle one between 80 and 90. There is 85. So 85 square means 8 9 is 72 and 5 5 is 25. So 7225. So now next one, because it is bigger than this 7425 is bigger than 7225. So 86 will be watching. It comes 7396 and 87 will be finding. Okay, of course this will be find out by multiplying only 86 into 86, but you will do, and 87 into 87 you will do. Now you will see between these two, of course this is smaller, this is bigger, then which one is near? Bigger is nearer or smaller is nearer? If a smaller is nearer, then this is what happened, its square root will be closer to what? 86, like 7396 is more nearer to 7425 than of 7569. So what will happen? Approximately its square root will become 86. This is the estimation of a square root. Got it, student?
Yes, sir, understood.
In same way, if you see in example 25, it has been said to find out the square root of 970. So 970, as we know, 900 is the square of 30 and 1600 is of 40. Then we will see a middle 35. That is 3 for the 12, 1225. That is also bigger. Okay. So we will see 31 square, because after 900, 31 comes. Okay, 31 square. How much it comes? Okay, when you will do that, I think it has been closed. Okay, no problem. I'll be opening once again. Yes. So I was explaining here, and I was doing next page. So if you will see, here 35 square it has been shown, which is 1225 and which is bigger than 970. So 30 and 35, between 30 and 35 it lies, because it is bigger than 30 square and smaller than 35. So 31 it has been taken and 32 it has been taken. Of course 970 is near to 31 square. So you can say since 970 is close to 961, so root under 970 will be approximately 31. Got it? This is the way how we estimate a square root. Clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
So now we will move towards example number 26, the last example. Then I will be coming. And 3.1 doubt you are saying, yes?
Yes, sir, I have doubt in 3.1, sir. I
Okay,
had seen,
I was
sir,
thinking
that
that
all
3.1.
I was able to do, sir, but only one question is there, sir, that I was not able to do, sir.
Okay, and I think 3.1 was not covered in video, is it?
I don't know, sir.
Don't know. Which number you can say?
Sir, exercise 3.1, sir, question number, exercise 3.1 and question number 11, sir.
Question number 11.
11B, sir, B, 11B.
Okay, so let's see what is there in 11B. How many numbers, okay, how many numbers are there between 64 square and 66 square?
Yes,
So of course what you can do over here is, we know consecutive one. Consecutive, now how many numbers are there we are knowing? You can write stepwise here. Numbers of non-square number it is writing. Yes, non-square number between, okay, between what, 65 square and 64 square is equal to, do you know how much it is? It is
Double of 64, sir.
double of 64, a smaller number. That means 2 into
Yes, sir.
64 it will become, that is 128.
Yes, sir.
In
Yes.
same way, you will be doing again numbers of, number also you can write, because these two are squarely number between 66 square and 65 square is equal to 2 into 65.
Yes, sir.
That will become 130.
Yes, sir. 130.
And now here you can say the total number between 64 square and 66 square is equal to, now
258.
259 it will be. Now total numbers between, is the answer 259?
Seeing, sir.
Between 64
Sir, why we multiply two, sir, both
59, sir.
number?
But here, sir, if we do sum, then it is coming to 58 only.
then I will say you now how it will become 269. Answer is 259 now, yes?
Yes, sir. 259 it is, sir.
Yes, now I'll explain you how it will come. 259 is equal to 128 plus 130 plus 1. Now from where this 1 comes, that you might be
Yes.
thinking, I will be saying you. Here it has been said numbers between 64 square and 66 square. So of course here it has not been said that the numbers is either a square or not. If it will be said non-square number, then of course there will be the answer 258 only. But since it has not been said non-square number, then 65 square will also be counting, which is coming in between 64 square and 66 square. So that is one number which is more over here, and it becomes 259. Okay.
Sir,
In
the
middle, anyone has asked that why we are multiplying with 2. Then this is the formula that only I had explained you earlier in the text. Yes, Yuvraj, you are saying something?
Sir, I was telling, sir, that 1 came from, sir, we have not counted 65 square. That's why we have written 1, sir. But
Yes.
65 square is larger than 1, sir.
No, that is one number, not larger than 1 or small. How many numbers are there, that it has been asked. Yes, so one number which has not been counted over there, that was left 65 square, because in between of 64 and 65 we had found, and 65 and 66 we had found. We had not counted 65 square.
Okay, sir.
That's why
Sir,
we
then
had
here if sir, hello sir.
Yes.
Then here it is asking in 10th question, sir. Question
Yes.
number B, sir, 52 square and 54 square, sir. Then we will
Yes.
do same like that only, sir. But we will not
Yes.
add 1 because here it is asking non-square number, sir.
Yes, then we will not ask, we will not add 1, because there it has been asked non-square. Now anyone has asked that why we are multiplying with 2, then if you will see over here, okay, at this which page number, okay, in this book, okay, which page number 39. It has been clearly shown over here, it has been written, there are 2 n numbers between n square and n plus 1 whole square.
Where is the
Yes,
answer?
sir.
In page number 39, I had explained also this, okay, with
Yes,
several
sir, you have
examples.
explained, sir.
This is the formula. Here also it has been explained in B number. You can see here, and this has only been explained over here. Numbers between 5 square and 4 square is equal to 8. Okay,
Square
same
of
15 square and
Yes,
14 square, 28. Suppose this all things it has been explained. Okay, so without doing delay now, is there any problem in 3.1 or any text?
No, sir. Now no problem.
Okay, so now I will be moving towards exercise 3.2, which I was explaining. Okay, and you will try to do this exercise 3.2 faster, because next day, of course, it is Sunday also. If you will try, even you can do 3.2 also, and revision exercise also, and whatever the doubt will be there, that we will be discussing on Monday, so that from Tuesday or Wednesday we can start chapter 6. We are moving slow.
So
Yes.
chapter 6 or chapter 4?
No, after 3 there is 6 in the syllabus of PT2, if you will see. Okay. So here, if you will see the try this section, it has been said estimate the square root of the following: 375 square root. So of course this 375, where it is lying? It is lying between the square of 20 and a square of 10, because 10 square is 100 and 20 square is 400.
So
Now we will,
18, sir.
yes,
Sir, 18 also, sir.
18. At first you will see between which two tens it is lying, as you can see in example number 26. Then we will come that between 15 square and 20 square it is lying, because 15 square is 225 and 20 square is 400, and it is near to 400. So we will simply see 19 square and 18 square.
18 is will be answered.
18 square will be more nearer, so we can write. So square root of
Approx
370,
18 square, sir.
yes, is approximately 18. Like that you can write.
The answer
I
is
hope
18.
you,
Estimation we were doing, sir.
yes, I hope you all will be able to do
Answer is
this.
18 square.
Yes,
Yes.
not only 18, not 18 square, 18, because here it is asking a square root. So it's a approximate square root will become 18. Clear?
Yes, sir, understood.
Okay, sir.
So now, as we had did all the try this is,
So in the try this section, so in A it could be approximately 19 square, no?
19 square. Now there comes confusion. Some are saying 18 and some are saying 19. So just see what you will do. We will multiply. Let's see. I will be multiplying only 18 and 18. When we multiply, what happens? 8 is the 64. Carry 6. 8 1 the 8 and 6 14. And again 1 8. So it will become 4, and then after 2, that for 12, 324. And when we will do 19 into 19, how much it comes? It will come 9 9 the 81, and then after 9 1 the 9, and 8 17. Okay. So, and 19 over here. So when it will be added, it will be coming 1 9 and 7 16, and then after here it will be 1 1 2 and 1 3. So 361,
Yes,
and then
19.
after 400. So if you will see 14 added to this, then it will become 375 and 25. So 14 added. So this is only the nearer. Yes, 19 it will be, not 18.
Yes, sir.
Sir,
So
but answer is 20, sir.
answer is given 20.
Yes, sir.
So 20 is wrong then.
Yes, sir, because 375 is nearer to 400.
Yes, only 14 added, then it becomes 375. But to make 400, it has to be added 25. Suppose
Yes,
which
sir,
one will be
but
near?
sir, whenever
61
sir,
only.
a number is more than 50, sir, it goes to next number, sir.
Yes, more than 50 goes to next number.
Then, sir,
No,
here will be, sir, 19 or 20. Which one will be correct, sir?
19 will be right, not 20.
Okay, sir.
Clear?
Yes.
Yes,
We
sir.
will
It's
see which one
it is
is the
19.36.
nearest. That will become
Let's
answer.
solve now. One more question.
One more question. Which number?
Your question
D,
number
sir.
D, sir.
Question number D. Okay, let's see how to solve it. Now, I'll be explaining it in proper process. Let's see. So if you will see, in 4, you can write here.
It lies between 80 square and 90 square.
Yes, because 80 square is 6400 and 90 square is 8100. You can write here. This, like this also you can write 90 square is greater than 6792. This is less than 80 square. Now 85 square is equal to 8 9 is 72 and 5 5 is 25. So this you can write, therefore 85 square is bigger than 6792 and 80 square. So it is a 6400. So we can see, okay, for 83 or 84, I think in that only it will come. So simply we can write now 83 square at first. 83 square is equal to, yeah, of course in rough you can multiply 83 into 83. 3 3 is 9, 8 3 is 24, then after 8 3 is 24, 8 8 is 64. So of course it will come how much?
More, sir.
9, 8, 66.
Sir, here 66 na
89.
sir.
66, 89, yes?
8 is the 24, 8 is the 64 to 66.
Okay, sorry, yes, 66 will be there, then it will become 68. It is more. 68 it will come.
I told you, sir, that it will become more.
Yes, 68, 89. Then we will get up a smaller one now. 82 square is equal to 82 into 82 you will be doing. So 2 to the 4, 8 to the 16, and 8 to the 16, 8 to the 64, and 165. So it will become how much? 4276. So 6724. 6724. And 81 square now we will be taking, as it is came, okay. 6724, and here it has been given 6792. So once we will check 81 square also, either 81 square is nearer or 82 only.
82 will be nearer, sir.
So 1 1 is
81
1
square
and
will be
81,
less only.
and then after it will become 8 1 is 8, and it is the 64. So of course it will become 1, 8 8 16 6, carry 1, and then after it 5, and okay, so it is coming 6 5 6 1. It is a smaller. Okay, you can write, you can even write like this. Okay, 81 square is equal to 6561. Therefore write, since 6 7, how much it was?
6792, sir.
792 is closest
82, sir.
to 6724. Hence, approximate square root. Let me rub this off. Hence, approximate a square root of 6792 is 6724. It was a square of 82, so is 82. You will write like this. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So of course now as I can see your
Time over.
is also over. So at first I will stop recording, and your homework will be to do exercise 3.2. Okay,